How to remove birthday on Viber. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove or hide your birth date on Viber. So first thing what you want to do is simply open your Viber application and make sure you are signed into your account, and simply click on this more icon at the bottom right corner. So once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see the settings. Actually you can see the settings right here. So just click on settings option, and once you're inside here, just click on privacy and scroll all the way down until you see this option called share your birth date. So even if you have set it your birthday or not, just click on this, uncheck this button, which will automatically disable or hide your birthday from your friends. So that is exactly how you can easily hide or remove your birthday on Viber. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.